thing's pretty hard gunned this way. That should be all right. Okay, back cut, stand clear. Heck yeah. Thanks, buddy.
I was kind of worried because I was these over
yeah, no, it looked like we had it.
Yeah, I seen it going as soon as you got past this area.
Yeah.
I hit put the first, I said, oh yeah, it's going.
Cool. Yeah, the wedges are more for just like a placeholder.
Okay.
When we're jacking, and if we really got something we got to stand up, we tap those wedges to kind of help relieve.
I see.
In case of a failure, in case we squirt a bunch of fluid or something.
Yeah.
Just to assist that. But yeah, we had it. It looks good.
Very nice.
I'm happy with how it came. I mean, look, we split the gap right there.
That's amazing right there, man.
That was a little luck. I was planning on crushing them, but thanks for your help.
No problem, man.
I'll take it.